Hello friends, in this video I'm just going to share this useful information. For example, in your Android mobile, if the power button right is not working, or if the power button is jammed or broken, and if you are not able to power off or restart, you can go alternate way to restart your mobile or to power off your mobile. So we need to go to Play Store. If you know about iPhone, there will be assistive touch, because sometimes right the power button is not working, we can use assistive touch. The same way we are going to use in Android mobile. So just go to Play Store. Okay, go to Play Store and choose this assistive touch. Search for assistive touch. So this is the one, assistive easy touch. So I'm going to install. Super cool, it is installed. So going to open it. And if you're seeing multiple ads, right, because this is ad based app, so I'm going to put it in offline mode. So I'm going to remove the Wi-Fi connections and I'm going to disconnect the mobile data. Simply I'm going to put into airplane mode. Okay, fine. So ad is finished. So here we need to choose this assistive touch. We should allow this, allow display over other apps. So just enable it. It's enabled. Going back. So now you can see this button here. So simply you need to tap it and allow modifying system settings. So that also we need to enable it. So I'm going to tap it. Super cool. Going back. Now going to tap this assistive touch. So here you can see these options, lock, clean, something, but we need power off or restart options here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going back. So choose this custom menu. Okay, tap this custom menu. So here you can change that options. So I'm going to hold this home button. Okay, simply tap it. Here you can see this options power. Just choose it. Choose the power. So power is set now. So now going back, tap this assistive touch. Now the power option is there. So again I'm going to tap it. We need to enable this accessibility. So what we need to do is, here you can see this assistive touch. So tap it, simply enable it. And we need to allow. Super cool, successfully enabled. Now I'm going back, simply tapping this assistive touch. Now going to tap this power button. Now you can see this power off or restart. So now I'm going to restart it. If the power button is broken or jammed, you can choose this alternative way. So it's restarted. So that's it, friends. This is the way we can fix if the power button is not working in Android mobile. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback in video form. Thank you. Bye and take care.